Hello, world history students. It's Miss Wall. I'm just going to introduce to you what we're going to talk about for this week. You have two tasks this week, and the first lesson one, task one, is on the French Revolution. Your essential focus is the question that's printed here. What were the important causes and effects of the French Revolution? So if you'll see here, we have a PowerPoint that has all the information about France and how it led to their uprising. The notes that you see here, if I were you, I would notate and document what you see because your assignment, the first part of it, you're going to have to write 3 bullet points based on this PowerPoint. So your bullet points are going to be like 3 facts that show the causes of the French Revolution. The assignments that you see on the PowerPoint, you do not have to do. For example, when we get to the class discussions, when you get to the end slides, like independent activities, you do not have to do that. Closure activity, you do not have to do that. But if I were you, because you do have a quiz at the end of the week, I would write down these definitions and just make sure I know what they are. And by write down the definitions, I mean write down the word. I'm not going to force you to go define them. I'm not taking that up. I'm not grading that. I'm grading you on if you can find 3 bullet points that show the causes and the impact that created the French Revolution. You'll be graded on that. And then there's a video that I put in the Canvas link under module and assignments. Make sure you click on the video as well and then watch that video, and you're going to put 3 more bullet points. So you should have a total of 6 to 9 up to 12 bullet points for the first lesson and first task. The second task deals with Latin American and Caribbean revolutions. On that one, it's going to be another PowerPoint, and that PowerPoint will be on Latin American studies. So I'm not going to go too far. I just want to give you an idea of what it looks like. So if you see this, hold on. Here's another slide. And your essential question here is, what were the main causes and effects of the Latin American revolutions? Here, you're going to discover that we're going to be talking about certain people and individuals that deal with Haiti and deal with Mexico. You do need to probably focus on this again because, like I said, you do have a quiz at the end of the week. This one is also simple. You're going to write 3 more bullet points for lesson 2, task 2, which is what this is, 9.8, Latin American Revolutions. You're going to do the same thing you did the first lesson. It's quite simple. There is also a video that goes with this one. The video on the Latin American PowerPoint deals more with the Haitian Revolution. There are a few names that are helpful for you to remember. Hidalgo, Simon Bolivar, and they're right here. Miguel Hidalgo, Simon Bolivar, Toussaint L'Ouverture, and you do need to know Jean-Jacques Dessalines. Knowing those names will give you a fairly decent summary of this unit. So I hope that helps. I will be on in the mornings at the designated times for world history. I will send you an invitation. If you have any questions, of course, you can email me. I hope you had a good spring break. I certainly did. And I will be meeting with you this week. The tasks are meant to be simple. The quiz is going to be instantaneously graded. Remember, you're being graded on mastery, partial mastery, and non-mastery. If you, by chance, get a non-mastery on your assignment, you will get a chance to do it again but it's written on the assignments. It'll say something like relooping, and then just read what it says. For the French Revolution, I do need to add that there is a link that shows 4 distinct readings. I think it'll help you more if I say that. The readings are where you're going to write your 3 bullet points. So I'll make sure to cover that again in the morning to make sure that's clear. That's where the 12 came from. That's exactly where the 12 came from. The video and the PowerPoint are just to help you, but for task 2, you are doing your bullet points from this PowerPoint on Latin American revolutions. All right then, guys. Hopefully I didn't confuse you too much, and like I said, I'll be available tomorrow to talk to you. All right, have a good week.